Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Jazz and I'm back with another quick video for you. If you already follow me on Instagram, you may have seen these gels by Curls that I have tried out, and I just wanted to go into a little further detail on this style using one of those gels in their ultimate styling collection. And this is the only product I will be using, which is always a plus when you're trying to cut down your time on wash day. As always, I'm starting off with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, and I will list those products that I used in the description box. But for styling, I'm going to be using the Enviable Creamy Curl Gel. This is more of a medium hold, which is perfect for twist outs, wash and goes, just depending on the type of hold that you want to have for your style. With any style that I do, I always make sure that I brush the product through thoroughly, making sure that I don't miss any sections of my hair so that it's all coated evenly and I don't have any dry parts. I use the same technique with all my perm rod sets, but I'm going to come in a little closer so you can see my wrapping method. It's more of a twisting and rotation around the perm rod versus forming my hair in the shape of the perm rod, if that makes sense. And then closing the perm rod across towards the front so that it is close to the root so that it's tight. And if it is a little loose, you can always go backwards and then come forward so that it closes tightly. For the style, I sat underneath the dryer for about 45 minutes and then I let my hair air dry overnight, which is normally what I do with styles like this where I'm using larger sections. So I just want to make sure my hair is completely dry. One thing I really liked about using only one product is that I still was left with moisturized curls. They were super defined without the crunch. This is the part of the style where you pretty much make this style your own. I like to separate my hair the least amount on day one so that my style can last throughout the week. So I like to tug on them a little bit to kind of break the cast a little bit and give it a little more stretch. And then I just separate once or twice. Normally when you tug on the section, it'll kind of separate on its own and you see I'm left with lots of volume, but I still have a lot of my definition. I know I made this video pretty quick, but if you have any further questions on this style, please comment down below. I'm always happy to help. And if you don't follow me already, head over to Instagram and follow me at Jas'ColoredCurls. And until next time, bye-bye.